Want to become a millionaire in just 1 year? Now, many of you might be thinking that I've gone crazy, but let me tell you that I'm not crazy. However, many people are crazy about becoming millionaires and are making every effort to achieve it. If you're also thinking about it and want to be a millionaire, so watch today's full video and enjoy life as a millionaire. In today's video, I'll discuss some tips you should follow and some mistakes you should avoid. So if you're ready to take control of your financial future, let's get started. First things is you need the right mindset. Becoming a millionaire in a year isn't about luck. It's about strategy and execution. You have to believe it's possible and be willing to put in the work. Start by setting a clear goal. I will make $1,000 in 12 months. Write it down, visualize it, and remind yourself daily. Next, surround yourself with people who inspire you, whether it's mentors, books, or podcasts. Learn from those who've already achieved what you want. Remember, your mindset is the foundation of your success. Now let's talk about the 3 main paths to making $1 million in a year. 1. Start a business. This is the fastest way to generate wealth. Look for high-demand industries like tech, e-commerce, or digital services. 2. Invest wisely. If you already have some capital, consider investing in stocks, real estate, or cryptocurrencies. But be cautious. This path requires knowledge and risk management. 3. Scale your skills. If you're an expert in a field, monetize your skills through coaching, consulting, or creating online courses. Choose the path that aligns with your strengths and resources. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all solution. Once you've chosen your path, it's time to take massive action. Break your goal into smaller, actionable steps. For example, if you're starting a business, your first steps might be: research your market, create a business plan, launch your product or service within 30 days. Consistency is key. Work on your goal every single day, even if it's just for an hour. Small, consistent actions compound over time. Now let's talk about the mistakes that can derail your progress. Avoid these at all costs. Trying to do it alone. Surround yourself with a team or mentor who can guide you. 2. Spending before earning. Don't blow your savings on luxury items or unnecessary expenses. Reinvest your profits into your business or investments. 3. Giving up too soon. Success doesn't happen overnight. Stay committed, even when things get tough. Remember, every setback is a learning opportunity. Stay focused on your goal. To stay on track, measure your progress regularly. Set monthly milestones and celebrate small wins along the way. For example, if your goal is to make $1,000 in a year, aim for $83,233 per month. Adjust your strategy if you're falling behind. Finally, discipline is your secret weapon. It's easy to get distracted or lose motivation, but remember why you started. Stay disciplined with your time, money, and energy. Say no to distractions and stay focused on your goal. And there you have it, your roadmap to becoming a millionaire in just 1 year. Remember, it's not going to be easy, but it's absolutely possible if you stay focused and take consistent action. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on more tips like these. Let me know in the comments which step you're going to work on first. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.